Hey everyone, in this video, let's do an introduction to Sintra AI. In order to do so, here we are at Sintra.ai. And what is Sintra all about? Well, you get access to AI helpers that can help build, grow, and scale your business. Employees that never sleep. And I can't say enough good about Sintra. It really is an exciting platform, highly recommended. Of the different tools that I have taken a look out there, I really think that Sintra stands apart. What they're doing is really quite special, and I'm very happy to be showing you the platform today and everything that you have access to. So here we have our different AI employees. We have employees for business development, customer support, e-commerce, data analysis, email marketing specialist, personal growth coach, copywriter, recruiter, SEO specialist, social media manager, virtual assistant, sales manager. There are some incredible AI helpers that you have access to, and each of them is worth their weight in gold. A coworker who's always on the clock, available 24/7, speaks in 100+ languages. They learn your business just like real employees, answer questions about your brand, add files, instructions, and your website for more unique results. The more information they have, the better the outcome. And I can confirm, I've spent some time with Sintra now for the past couple weeks, and I just think it is one of the most fantastic AI tools that I've come across. Highly recommend it. Some AI tools, they have their uses, but I really think that if you are a new business or an established business and you're looking for an edge, I highly recommend taking a look at Sintra. Let's go ahead and check out the site itself. So here we are logged into Sintra. This is what you're going to see when you first get logged in. We have all of our different employees here that we have access to. Each of them you can click on, and let's just go ahead and click on Buddy here. And you can see that we have our chat history. We have some very nice suggestions here if we want to click on those. If you don't know exactly where to start, but you just want to get going, then you can click on any of these and you can start getting some insights from your different AI helpers. And we also can attach files. You can see here, if we click on that, we can attach a file. So if you have a specific file that you want Buddy to take a look at so that he can offer some insights, then you can do that. We can even use voice. So this is quite nice. If you just want to chat with your AI helper and see what they have to say, then this is a really cool tool that they have added. Up here, we have this cog. If we click on that, then you can change the way that your helper responds. You can change this bar here. And so you can either set it to strictly professional, keep it official, business casual, friendly, relaxed, super chill. You could change the message length. You can change the language to basic, casual, or expert. You can specify whether or not you want it to search Google all the time. You can ask it to copy your writing style. Here you can add custom instructions. You can say anything you want that you want your AI employee to know, and it will take note of it. So that way you're getting more specialized results as time goes on. And I can't say enough good again about how Sintra works. It really is a fantastic brainstorming tool. Heading back to the homepage here, it is a great way to start the day. If you are starting the day, you don't necessarily know where to start, you've got a lot on your mind, or maybe you've got nothing on your mind and you want some help to get focused. Sintra is a great way of doing that. You could just put in whatever your question is or what you're thinking about, and Sintra will point you in the direction of one of your AI employees, and you can start going from there. It offers 12 new ideas daily and asks 10 new questions. You can click on that and you can answer the questions, and Sintra will get to know you and your business that much more to offer those specialized insights. Let's just click on the 12 new ideas so you can see here. If we take a look at these ideas and we say, oh, I like that one, then we can just hit the heart here, or we can hit the X, and we can just kind of go through those. And generally speaking, I like to, most of these ideas are really good, because even if it's not something that you're necessarily going to use, it might turn you on to something that you wouldn't think of otherwise. And so this is a good way of just kind of looking through and getting some nice insights. And then what will happen is you'll see this little red marker here that indicates now. So if we go to Buddy, now Buddy is going to show us the idea that we just asked him to show us. So creating an AI consultation service pricing framework. So this is something that, we're taking a look at here. So this is Buddy's insight into offering a pricing framework for our company. So this is just some really, really good information, and it's something that you can use all of the insights that Sintra offers to grow your business, to get actionable insights, to get special answers to your questions that really will allow you to consider things that you might not consider otherwise. So I highly, highly recommend Sintra. I really think it's a fantastic platform. Let's just do a quick overview here. You can see, again, we have our different helpers here, and each of them is going to have a similar interface, but we also have access to our power-ups, and you can find your power-ups in each of our helpers. You can see here our power-ups. We can click on See All, and you can see the specific power-ups that we have related to our helper, in this case, Buddy, marketing strategy generator, newsletter strategy, target audience analyzer. I mean, all of these options is worth its weight in gold. A brand generator. So if you're looking to create a brand name and a vision behind the brand, you can play around with that. I mean, it really is quite fantastic. But let's go ahead and take a look at the power-up screen here. So you can see that here we have a bird's eye view of each of our different employees and all of the different functions that we have access to with each of them. And there is just some amazing stuff here. If you have a Shopify store, you can analyze your Shopify store and get actionable insights. With Dexter, our data analyst, we can generate a balance sheet based on your bank statement. With Emmy, our email marketer, we can create an email with educational content for your subscribers. Gigi, personal development, a meal planner, a workout planner. This didn't need to be in here, but it is, and it's fantastic. The fact that you can have all of these things, I mean, these are things that if you're building a business and you're really looking to create an ecosystem for your company that your employees are all happy. Not only do you have your AI helpers, but you have these really amazing tools to create a special environment for everybody at your company. Millie, our sales manager, will help you write scripts for cold calls, will generate a follow-up email for your leads. This is a fantastic option here. Our negotiation advisor, get guidance on negotiating a certain deal. Let's go ahead and click on that. It's something that I plan to be taking advantage of. We can enter in the details of our deal. We can specify the goals that we hope to achieve. And under more settings, if there's anything specific that you want to specify, then you can put that in there. And then when you're done, you can click generate. And this can really help you if you're trying to land a deal. You can get some special insights into the deal, so that way you can feel that much more confident going into a negotiation. So all of these power-ups and each of these employees is worth its weight in gold, and it's really quite fantastic what you have access to. I can't say enough good about Sintra. Again, it's one of the best tools that I've come across. Sochi, our social media manager, can create engaging posts for LinkedIn, for X, for TikTok, for YouTube. Again, all of these can really help to create some tailored responses for your company, whatever it is that you might be doing, whether you're an established business owner and maybe you're just looking for an edge and trying to figure out how you can stay competitive. You might want to take a look at Sintra. I would highly recommend you take a look at Sintra. It's definitely worth it. Let's take a look here at the automations. So these are things that you can automate if you want your social media poster to be posting on social media automatically for you, then you can do that. You can have your Facebook commenter commenting on Facebook. You can create a daily summary. Let's just check that out here really quick. We'll click on that. So this analyzes your email and your calendar and prepares you for the day. So this is great. I mean, you can click here to set this up. I haven't set that up yet, but I plan to. There's just so much here in Sintra, and the more time you spend with it, the more it surprises you, and you can find some really amazing options. Here in Brain AI, this is where you'll find your various integrations. So you can connect LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Google, your calendar, Microsoft, Notion, QuickBooks, Strava, Shopify, Stripe. All of these you can integrate. Then here is where you'll also find your knowledge filled section. So anything that you have told Sintra, you're going to find it here. And so with time, this gets more in detail. And so Sintra is able to offer those specialized responses. You can also upload files. So if you have specific files that you have uploaded in your different conversation, then that's where you're going to find those here. If you have your website, you can enter in your website here. And so Sintra will be able to pull from your website and know exactly what it is that's going on there. And again, all of this just allows Sintra to get to know you and your company that much better. I can go on all day about Sintra. I really think that they've done something special. Bravo to the team there. I always have a good time playing around with Sintra, and it's really helped to take Skillcraft to another level. So we're really excited as well to be able to offer you a promo code Skillcraft60 to get 1 month free to get started with Sintra. You can play around for yourself, see for yourself how it works. I guarantee that you are going to find so much value out of it. If you check the description, you'll find a link there. If you click on the link, then get started with Skillcraft. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would certainly appreciate it. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.